Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Jakarta, Indonesia and I'm stopping by Burger King to try something special. Their crispy chicken. Let's see if it's worth the hype. Alright, I just ordered 5 pieces crispy chicken. It looks golden, crunchy and smells amazing. The outside is super crispy and the inside is juicy and tender. The seasoning has a nice kick, kind of peppery, but not too spicy. Honestly, this might compete with KFC and McDonald's. I wasn't expecting Burger King to bring this level of crunch. If you're in Jakarta and craving crispy chicken, this is a solid option. Would I recommend it? Definitely. Let me know in the comments if you have tried it. And don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell for more food reviews. See you in the next one. Bye bye.